In the shores of enhancing health sector, approached Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Nada to upgrade Jennings to the level of AIMS. A combined team's effort to destroy vast poppy plantations at Sekibong Hilong in Ukhrul district stops midway on suspicion of presence of undergrounds. New chairperson of MSCW, Dr. A. Binota, calls for a gender policy to combat crimes against women. Government releases 27 arrested members of JSC Thangta teachers recruitment. And Minister Karam Sham launches souvenir badge of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, urges people to use the badge in support of Sangai Festival. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren has pressed the Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Nada to upgrade Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) to the level of All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIMS) for an enhanced health sector in the state. Responding to Impact News query at the sidelines of Myanmar Numit held at CM Secretariat today, Chief Minister Biren intimated that he has urged the centre to increase the budget allocated for Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS). Biren mentioned that 200 Myanmaris came to Manipur legally for treatment at Shija hospitals after the opening of Indo-Myanmar Integrated Checkpost in Moreh. The Chief Minister assured of enhancing health sector in the state to the best possible extent. He also mentioned that for effluent treatment plant will be positioned in JNIMS at the earliest for permanent control of liquid biomedical waste discharged from the hospital.
Honorable Minister Health unaraga imangonda apprise orame the Honorable Prime Minister shu I chithi wena Honorable Prime Minister di election gi khara tied obenu unaba phangre mangonda ju hairaga RIMS ki sima budget khare henkan han biu hajirame aduga AIMS ki thakta haitare JNIM se pukhat piraga de akhoi da health ki problem se maram di masigi check post in han he Myanmar rom dagi akhoi yare na ma yam lakhibodo adudagi hujikti legalize arukan da 200 patient hena si je khata da apart medical tourism implement.
The Chief Minister also assured of making 4 major electronic traffic signals out of the total 8 positioned on the major roads of Imphal city fully functional before Sangai Festival. He also strictly warns of legal actions against those violating traffic rules. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren disclosed that Sangai Festival will witness altogether 140 stalls from outside the state. He disclosed that various foreign dignitaries, including US Ambassador, will attend the festival for the first time. He also disclosed that the Princess of Thailand will be visiting Imphal for the festival on November 27. The Chief Minister urged people of the state not to call any bunt or strike during the festival, which can malign the image of the state. He also appeals to call off the die-in-harness bunt without fail.
The accident khara toina thokpa khotpa se khoi siam nungai te khoi rules khara strict toge na khale traffic light system electronic light system su hujik trial kanna tawre nangai yadna leirambadu sai taruk tare yadna leirambadu hujik kanna semaga honajari junction mari manga gumba main noiba singdi function tawna ba na kanna honajari car thoboda bel fadaba adagi bike motorbike tong bada koi helmet uptabugumba koi khara enforce tor kani madu warobi gno koi gi isa save tong na bani Sangai Festival lakpa sida lakadar ba mayam sida koina akhoi gi host hoina koina hospitality akhoi gi minungsi akhoi gi lamsat bevhar akhoi gi thaksi kasi adu mayam do utpa matam ne na lawe.
Bank of India Imphal branch has sponsored 5 lakh rupees for Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. The sponsored check was handed over to Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren by Senior Branch Manager of Bank of India H. Umesh in the presence of branch managers Mohammad Alam Ahmed and Sawam Pinaki, branch managers and staffs of Imphal, Thobal and Sainik School branch at Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. Food Safety and Standards Enforcement in a press release informed to all the interested food business operators for opening temporary food stalls at Hapta Kangjibung and Kuman Lampak for the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018 to get registered and licensed under Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. Applications for the same may be submitted to the registering authority designated Officer Food Safety Administration latest by November 20. As a part of the security measures taken up by District Police Bishnupur in connection with the upcoming Sangai Festival, teams of Commando Bishnupur under the supervision of SP Bishnupur District Hobson Sapam conducted cordon and search operations at Kaibul Chandapur from 5 to 6:30 this morning. The teams under the command of additional SP operations led by OC Commando Inspector B. Lunthang Waife along with DSP Operations Commando 1 and 2, SDPO Moirang, Women Police of Moirang Police Station and DSP Commando Kaibul verified around 315 individuals including 105 women during the operation. 5 individuals including 1 bailout of proscribed outfit UNLF without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to Kaibul Police Station for further verification. Destruction of mass poppy plantations at Sikibong Hilog of Lengang Pokpi Hill Range in Ukhrul district was left halfway today. The drive was carried out under the supervision of SP NAB W. Basu by a combined team of NAB Manipur, 7th Manipur Rifles, Ukhrul District Police, SDPO Pungyar, Imphal East District VDF personnel, Narcotic Control Bureau, OC Litan Police Station, SDM Pungyar and the Forest Department. The team came across vast poppy plantations across almost 2 hectares of land in the Hilong. However, the team left the drive midway at the site of suspected cadres of underground outfit of the hills. As the team was descending, media persons looked out for the suspected outfit's hideouts. Media persons came across vast poppy plantations and the suspects at rest huts of the poppy farm. Personnel of 17 Assam Rifles posted at Litan, who were part of the joint operation, left the drive citing reasons related to ceasefire. On the other hand, a poppy farmer intimated Impact News that they would stop cultivating poppy plants if government provides them with other alternatives. They intimated that government has provided no arrangement for their livelihood so far.
Mayam si yan that pagi gari shu haudre hojik di tampak shu ising geno tumana lo uba yatre atum haibi akoi shu mateng khara pang na beti asi toroi na akoi na haibde mangan phau gejama phau shu government na khoi shu biba ngamte na natro mangan thao praman amada ko asi to na keno khachik ta shu akoi mateng pang na bi asi ti gana na to ning kitro asi ti to akoi shu toroi do khoi di angang sing gadi pisa gani kedai ta paisa lo ra ka ladik tam gani natra adu pi atum warab shu asi atum khatra shu asi to se ai na to bali.
A team of Imphal East Commando has arrested suspected cadres of proscribed outfit Prepark Pro along with an IED yesterday. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal East Police under the supervision of SP Imphal East K. Megachandra, led by Inspector T. Khogen, conducted cordon and search operations at Kairao, Awang Lekai and arrested Ningthojam Yamba Elias Sanayamba, 36 years, son of Deben from Kairao, Awang Lekai. 2 mobile phones and 1 identity card of the Indian Army were recovered from him. During interrogation, Yamba confessed that he smuggled an IED from Myanmar and reached Manipur on November 11. He further confessed that the IED was set up at the residence of one Mangdin Bam Shamu at Kongpal Kongkham Lekai. Acting on the confession, a commando team immediately rushed at Kongpal Kongkham Lekai and arrested Shamu. The team located the IED upon interrogating Shamu. Later, State Bomb Disposal Squad arrived and safely removed the remote-controlled IED. The powerful bomb with the iron splinter was intended to be used against security forces along Paidinga Road. A case was registered and the arrested persons along with the bomb were handed over to Imphal East Police. Newly appointed chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Professor Dr. Mainam Binota, has assured to fight against every crime meted out to women of the state. She stressed the need to enact a gender policy to combat crimes against women. Speaking to media at the Commission's office in Imphal today, Dr. Mainam Binota intimated that the Commission's office lacks adequate security, making it vulnerable to unwanted incidents during court hearings. She assured to approach the government to provide adequate security. She intimated that 5 cases amongst the 90 pending cases were disposed in just 3 days of her joining the office. She assured to dispose of all the pending cases by holding court hearings every Mondays and Thursdays. The chairperson mentioned that the commission established in 2006 was active in its initial 2 to 3 years and slowly declined its efficiency. Stating that the new team endeavors to revive the commission, Dr. Mainam Binota assured to fight against crimes towards women to every possible extent.
Singi nupi macha singda rape ama thoe molest sam thoe haid ba pose ain gi thong yodring da customary law na loisan biba customary law dun kadai paisa su piraga lising gunthra piraga natraga sandang mari konga khun myam chaminaraga loisanare se na haiba adugumba customary law satnari ba se ai singi leader singda singi khulakpa singda ai appeal dongninge nupi macha magi punchi nupi magi punchi gi mamal bu sandang mari na kokpa yabra paisa lising gunthra na masi kokpa yabra nupi macha du da leiriba punchi gi oiba dakpham je piriba price tu na kona ba yabra haiba se akoi yaminagum si masi modify tausi masibu customary law degi lokthokna na bhona si aigi matam da di soidana makki aina yamna mayam tanaraga gender policy simtang di semaga aigi minister singda honorable cm da honorable social welfare minister singda ai thangatharangani.
All Manipur Student Union AMSU in a press release has warned of agitations if MOBC department fails to release scholarship for 2017-18 session at the earliest. The arrested 27 members of JSC on Thangta teachers recruitment were released today. The JSC believed that a closure to the demands will be provided when Thangta experts and state government representatives convene a meeting on November 28. Else, the JSC wants to carry on their agitations until the demand is fulfilled. The JSC released the statements during the reception program held for the release of the arrested members at their office in Palace Compound today. The JSC resolved to commemorate the day every year when the JSC members who were trying to safeguard Thangta were arrested by the police. It may be recalled that the 27 JSC members, including 10 women, were arrested for staging agitations during the recruitment written test held on November 11th against exclusion of Thangta teachers in the recruitment of higher secondary contract lecturers.
Matangi lakadaba Jahida Haibin Ashidagi Koi Thangtagi Yamna Marin Taba Mintolama Pirakanda Koi Jahi Lisang China Tungkoina Koi Nihim Gitolmama Pangtuk Jagani Haduna Pongdokcheri.
Tangkunipanda Committee Ama Semaga Expert Single Winana Manipurgi Thangta se Higher Secondary Gi Thakta Aduga Board Ki Class 12 amadi 11 da 9 amadi 10 da oza kaya yamna lobe yabage karam ba criteria da oza sing se logdage haibagi masing kaya ma logna habigi bi phama punna pangthuk minana ba manipur government ki maikeri gi thambi bedu ngomkai leitna je sigi maikeri gi thagali loina hairi banu mi asida chungchoi soidna 2019 gi sesal homa nangna ba tangai phadana council amsung council gi uji ahan boy ramon process sathari ba siga mari leinana koi lecturer sing lo na bhona ba aduga graduate ki oza sing class 9 amadi 10 da koi Wazasing loan in the Bagi Tangai Pado Period, Manipur government, Kimaki, Sapsana, Taminaba, Pintori.
Myanmar officials have sent letters to DC Technopole to stop construction of a house at Holland 5 village along Indo-Myanmar border in Technopole district. But the village chief, Lalkolan Haukip, is adamant not to stop the construction until a definite boundary is defined. Speaking to Impact News, village chief of Holland 5 village, Lalkolan said ADC Moray and Bangkim notified him to stop constructing the house yesterday late afternoon. He maintained that if the house has to be removed, Myanmar and Manipur officials should conduct a survey at the earliest. He demanded for a proper demarcation of border pillar 75 to 76 during the survey. He also intimated that a village neighboring to Myanmar is a victim to unwanted incidents. He claims that Myanmar armies often visit and scare the villagers. He also demanded to instate a Manipur police outpost for their security at the earliest. It may be recalled that around 5 years ago, Myanmar army crossing the border built an army base causing much issues, and in the early part of this year, a sawmill of the village was vandalized by the army.
Masa 76 and 75 gi marak sida zigzag chat base aran bane moina changning na changba thokning na thokba sum boundary se pangjit tajit basidi hoi amarom da government ni ado eresu lam sidi egi lam ni na de isu janing dre 76 to 75 marak se zigzag tobi gunu.
Food Safety and Standard Enforcement Wing in a press release intimated that an awareness program will be organized in view of the recent mass food poisoning incident during a wedding ceremony at the residence of one Sakaneng of Waithau Chiru. Food Safety and Standard Authority of Manipur, Imphal East Enforcement Wing will organize the program at the chamber of the Directorate of Health Service cum Additional Food Safety Commissioner in Imphal on November 17. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has launched the souvenir badge for Sangay Festival 2018 at Manipur Press Club today. The badge is inscribed with state map, Sangay and other cultural heritage of the state. Speaking in the launch, Minister Karam Sham lauded and thanked the CAF and PD Labourers Welfare Association for coming up with the badge, giving an overall image of the state. He stated that Sangay Festival is organized every year to aware the world about the endangered Sangay and the rich cultural heritage of the state to promote tourism. Karam Sham urged the people of the state to use the badge in support of Sangay Festival to be held from November 21 to 30. The minister also calls for sincere dedication to one's responsibilities for bringing development in the state.
Aina aigi thau paumi oisunu politician oisunu labor oisunu or natraga any entrepreneurship oisunu mana tawriba mathau du da thamoi sengna ati kathopa ga loinana aina pension thabak tawbase masi aigi dignity of labor aigi madune ba khoi diam darkar leise aduna akhoi moi gi wakalun se encourage taw jai ba taragadi support taw bi budune darkar leise ai sanpi kavita hijam yamna idea si wangna lerami aduga mana leijari ba khalli bo wakhalon du noina mateng pangbiram drati sigi poche thoeba aduna ngasigi thoramse ai sagi site gi ti asugi matik pen jaba nungai jaba aduga manipur bu sak tak pada ati pikraba souvenirs na achobo daita ma lauragani.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the last day of Manitex 2018 today. Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2018, organized by the Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, concluded today at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboy, Khongnangkhong. Speaking in the closing ceremony, Speaker of State Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan lauded women of the state for contributing immensely to the state's economy. He stated that Manipur is the only place where women are weavers, unlike other states where men do all the weaving-related works. He called to respect women weavers of the state for taking care of their household in addition to contributing in the economy. Yumnam Khemchan asserted that handlooms of the state has revived over the past 2 years and that the state government is even planning to opt handloom products for school uniforms. Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited S. Rajan and many resource persons attended the event. Prizes were also conferred to outstanding stall owners on the occasion.
Manipur handloom kandana laiba handloom gi achoba impact ama piriba amadi Manipur gi economy da ima event sing isan ise singna handloom bu thogak piraga handloom na state asigi achoba economy center ma hoina ba khona badu gi nuai jabaduni ngasiri handloom si sahi ani musida कोई हैंडलूम कॉर्पोरेशन के मूवमेंट सी हेंगलक कोई ना हुई सरकार ने सु कोई MOU क्या इनादना स्कूल सिंगी यूनिफॉर्म हैंडलूम के प्रोडक्ट तौरनी है बसी यामना बसी थागत नहीं आई नहीं तो वो बसी विल अमदी संगी सरकार की सु विल अमदी संगी.
Children Cultural Center Manipur will celebrate its Silver Jubilee under the banner Festival for Children from November 18 to 20. Speaking to media at MDU Hall in Yai School today, President of Children Cultural Center Lamabam Gojendro intimated that the celebration has been arranged under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. He said that the first day of the celebration will be held at MDU Hall and the second day at Children Cultural Center in Kashamthong, Ilangbam Lekai. Gojendro also intimated that CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham will grace the event. Children Cultural Center appeals to all the people of the state to join the two-day event.
Culture ki masak sing chemu apa masih pola maga culture ki moya masih ki expert poina lehelo kanda pokoknya tungi pasang pasang cek putang ngom jadona lainnya pergi pada mama ni.
Film Forum Manipur in a press release has imposed a ban on script writer Kontauja Momocha from Porompat Tawan Thalekai for disregarding the rules and regulations of the forum. The forum has resolved not to preview any visuals including his name. Students of Electrical Engineering of NIT Manipur and Nibia Consultancy Private Limited is organizing a startup weekend at the campus of National Institute of Technology, Langol, from November 16 to 18. Speaking to media at Singjamei Supermarket today, Managing Director of Nibia Consultancy Private Limited, Erosil Namairakpam, said that the event is organized as a part of Global Startup Weekend event organized by United States of America-based Textiles company to be participated by around 15,000 entrepreneurs from around 200 places across the world. The top 3 position holders in the event will be given chance to participate in various global and Asia-Pacific competitions. Aerosil expressed, Aerosil expressed a desire to bring a global platform of information technology in Manipur for entrepreneurs and individuals with technical ideas. He urged those interested individuals with technical know-hows willing to take up enterprises to participate in the event.
Events की main focus थी technology दा focus था उसे technology technical startup तो इन्हें focus था उसे global platform में कोई मणिपुर दा पुरखपा समाई इंखल अलीबा technical idea दी ले जबा दो idea दो implementation तो बगी platform में कोई पिज़्ज़ा रगा events की through दा कोई ना मोगे idea दो launch तो बगी आना बगी कोई ना तो उसे कोई NIT की कोई engineering college कोई NIT की electrical engineering की छात्र में हमने lead तो रगा कोई Nibia consultancy के partnership तो रगा तो रिबा events दा मैं हम लाखपिना ना बा अदो participate to binanaba akhina media gi through da masi on the paujinjagi.
Tamenglong Forest Division and Rain Forest Club Tamenglong conducted mass awareness programs for protection and conservation of migratory bird Amur falcon at Kebuching Puching village yesterday. Villagers from Kebuching Puching, Guangram, Punglam and Diolan Wairangba villages participated in the program. A mobile awareness campaign unit was also launched to spread awareness for protection and conservation of Amur falcon. Resource persons like DFO Tamenglong, Arun Ares, DFO None Napoleon Rongmei, CMO and Honorary Wildlife Warden of Tamenglong, Dr. Chamo Gonmei and Honorary Wildlife Warden of Tamenglong, Nehemiah Panmei attended the function. BJP Manipur Pradesh organized a cleanliness drive in and around Kaibul Lamjao in relation to the upcoming Sangai festival today. The drive was carried out under the supervision of Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, M. Ashni Kumar. 500 volunteers, including personnel of Kaibul Forest District Police and members of local Mera Paibi, took part in the cleanliness drive. Residents of Kaibul Lamjao are all ready to take actions against poaching of Sangai.
Sangai le pamoreba Kaibul Lamjao amadi Sangai asibu ngak pasen bai basi lamdam basi praja gi amata ngaraba akoi khwadegi अहम थौदांग है कोई प्रजासिंग ज्ञान तानरे अदुन मरम रगा ngasiदी मियो है मियो बिसिंग मरकता फत्तब मियमा मदु यावरप अदुम यावी पीबा कोइदा पीबा ख्वाइदि चारु खुदोन है वखलोंदा हजिकि प्रजासिंग से थवाई यावना अकोई मसि योगनबा कोई माइ ओनसली मसि मतेंग पांगी कना कना मसिना सा असिदा तेमसिंग नरकपा यावरगदी लमदम मसि प्रजान सुमदु लेम कदुम खक मसि थारो है प्रजा वरेप नहन हाइजरी
Green India and Manipur Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad have jointly organized a cleanliness drive under North-East Namaste States of Swachh Bharat mission at Lamlong Higher Secondary School in Khurai today. Brand ambassador cum convener of Swachh Bharat North-East Sotai Kri led teachers, staffs and students of the school in cleaning up the school compound. Kabui Dharna Sabha Manipur in a press release strictly warns the state government against suppression of the Kabui community of the state and any threat to its indigenous culture and traditions. A one-day fact-checking workshop for journalists was held under Google News initiative organized by India Training Network at Manipur Press Club today. Journalists were taught on how to distinguish fake news circulated on web during the hands-on training workshop. Guwahati-based independent journalist Makepeace Sitlo conducted the workshop. Journalists from across the state participated in the event. A two-day nature care and yoga free health camp was launched at Dr. Kala Nature Care and Yoga Health Center in Palace Compound today. Speaking to media, Chief Medical Officer of the Health Center, Dr. I. Yoga Siddha Nganba stated that the camp was held to aware the public on the benefits of nature therapy. People living in the area took part in the camp.
November 21st. Sida akhoi naturopathy de world naturopathy de na pangthok sagani ba adugi mango ina akhoi health camp se free health camp numi ni gi oiba sinjabane ba aduga health camp siliba maram sina akhoi gi naturopathy amadi yoga se akhoi gi miyamna yamna khangbo oidribni na mayam se khanghan ge adegi kanaba se kaino sigi matang da khanghan jage tawba adegi kanaba su lohon ge na adugi akhoi na free health camp se sinjabane
86th Battalion CRPF Imphal part organized a medical camp under its civic action program at Senam village today. CRPF doctors checked up around 200 residents of Sejang, T. Laijang and Kaitelmanbi villages of Kangpokpi district at the camp. Mobility aid wheelchairs, walking sticks and hearing aids were also distributed to those in need on the occasion. Meritorious students of Yaripok Private Center A who secured high marks in the recent HSLC examination were felicitated today. Committee of HSLC Examination Yaripok Private Center A organized the event at Azad Higher Secondary School, Yaripok. Speaking on the occasion, Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar encouraged the students to become successful in life. He reminded that students are the pillars of the future. The first stockist-cum dealer of Robotech company in the state, named Subram Robotech, was opened at BT Road today. The shop will make available range of original mobile accessories of the company. Speaking to media, shop proprietor Mantosh Kumar Pandey said Robotech company, approved by the Bureau of Indian Standard, will make available mobile accessories like mobile batteries, power banks, headphones, chargers, etc. He said the company will provide 1-year warranty, unlike other mobile phones providing just 6 months warranty. Mantosh also said if the accessories get damaged during the warranty period, new ones will be replaced immediately. State President of India Students Federation AISF K.H. Rameshwar, former HOD of the Horticulture Department, Dr. W. Ingo and State Vice President of Hockey India N. Ganendro attended the event.
Robotech है प्रोडक्ट से सेम बनी मोबाइल की लोइना बैटरी चार्जर पावर बैंक लोइना एक्सेसरीज सेमी एक्सेसरीज द BIS अप्रूव ओइबा एक्सेसरीज नी अदुगा कोई चाहिए अमगी गारंटी पी विदाउट एनी कंट्रोवर्सी पोत से सिन बयाय अदुगा कोई द फंगजरी से MI Samsung Vivo Oppo लोइना मोबाइल कंपनी की एक्सेसरीज फंगजई.
Manipur State Power Company Limited MSPDCL in a press release informed that there will be power shutdown tomorrow, that is November 16, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. in areas under Napetpalli, Chingarel, Sagolmang and Saikul covered by 33 by 11 kV substation Napetpalli on account of Napetpalli line maintenance work. Now the sports news. The state-level Women Open Hockey Championship has kicked off at Kumanlampang Hockey Stadium today. YCCIC, Kontha Ahalub and Bishnupur Hockey played the first league match of the championship, resulting in a 2-2 draw. For YCCIC, Kontha Ahalub, S. Bidyarani scored the 2 goals in the 4th and the 37th minutes, while for Bishnupur Hockey, W. Mandakini and TH Dainali scored 1 goal each in the 15th and 25th minute, respectively. 5 women hockey teams are competing in the league matches of the championship organized by Manipur Hockey. The Ideal Club Tera Kaithel will meet Kongman Students Club Kongman tomorrow. General Secretary of Manipur Weightlifting Association in a press release informed that names of Manipur team players for participating in the 14th Youth Boys and Girls, 55th Junior Men and 31st Junior Women National Weightlifting Championships have been announced. Altogether, 26 players including 8 Youth Boys players, 9 Youth Girls players, 3 Junior Men players and 6 Junior Women players will participate in the championship to be held at Nagpur in Maharashtra from December 14 to 22. L. Bikram and NG Sonia were selected as team managers and S. Imo and S. Brojendro were selected as coaches of the Manipuri team. Now before we end, let's look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren assures of enhancing health sector, approached Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Narda to upgrade Jennings to the level of AIMS. A combined team's effort to destroy vast poppy plantations at Sikibong Hilong in Ukhrul district stops midway on suspicion of presence of undergrounds. New chairperson of MSCW, Dr. M. Binota, calls for a gender policy to combat crimes against women. Government releases 27 arrested members of JSC Thangta teachers recruitment. And Minister Karam Sham launches souvenir badge of Manipur Sangai Festival 2018, urges people to use the badge in support of Sangai Festival.